back again. Another submission for the LPU scorecard. This is an Ace laminated 44 millimeter lock using the trusty Covert Instruments Ergo Turner and the trusty Jimmy Long's medium in 15, I think, 15 thousandths. Five. Four, just barely nudged four and it fell into place. Still something's going on with four. Is that counter rotation? That is counter rotation. That was weird. Four, one, nope. Two, counter rotation. One, no, two, three. There we go. That's it. Since I have the key on this one, which is a rarity at these lower levels, for me to have the key with the lock, I will demonstrate that it works. All right, that was the Ace 44 millimeter laminated padlock. Hopefully I'll be getting a new camera set up soon. Right now I'm just shooting off my phone that is held in my pan of ice. So maybe we'll get some better quality. But there we are.